In this video, I'll show you how to check north, south, east, and west in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your phone. You'll see a blue dot on the map showing your current location. To view the compass, place 2 fingers on the screen and rotate the map. As you rotate, a compass icon will appear in the top corner of the map. The red side of the compass points north. If you tap the compass icon, the map will automatically reorient so that north is at the top of the screen. Once north is at the top, east will be on the right side, south will be at the bottom, and west will be on the left side. You can also use the blue dot to see which direction you're facing. The shaded beam extending from the blue dot indicates the direction your phone is pointing. As you turn your phone, the shaded area will move, helping you determine whether you're facing north, south, east, or west. And that's how to check directions in Google Maps. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.